Hey folks, all right, here we go with another unboxing. I'm holding this at an angle because this is the middle of the day and the bright light is affecting what you can see, but it's the PAJ, I guess they're pronounced PAJ, Find and Protect. And what this is a GPS finder for your car, for your boat, for your motorcycle, for your ATV. My plan is to install this on my e-motorcycle. So let's see, go around the box real quick. On the back it says get it on Google Play. There's the app for the PAJ Finder Portal app for the App Store. Network, LTE, FDD, B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B7, B8, B12, B13, B18, B19, B20, B25, B26, B28, B66, LTE, TDD, B34, B38, B39, B40, B41, GSM, GPRS, Edge, 850, 900, 1800, 1900 megahertz. They did provide me with 6 months worth of subscription service to test this out. After that, if I continue with it, I obviously have to pay for myself. As you can see, the box is sealed. I'm going to cut it open right in front of you. There we go, my trusty knife. Put that away. Let's open it up, see what we got. Shouldn't be a whole lot. It says, hello, I'm here to protect you. We have the quick start guide telling you about downloading the app. It's in several languages. Well, looks like French, Spanish. When you go to their website, the default is United Kingdom, but there are several other countries there you can select. The SIM card is already in the finder and must not be removed. What does it come with? This is the device. Has a signal strength on display on the screen. It looks like a little screen. Nothing else. So this will be hidden in my vehicle. Has a connection cord, little pin cords that you see on all the bikes and stuff. And then this requires 12 volts, right? So it has a what I think would be a 15 amp. I have to look. Maybe it's not. It looks like a 2 amp, but it's a small fuse. I'll have to check to make sure I get extra fuses. And basically this goes to 12 volts. It says 9 to 75 volts. You might not be able to see that, and I'm sorry because it's on the white thing, but so it's got positive, negative K wires. You connect it to 12 volts. You connect it directly to the battery so it's always on, so that even when your bike's off, it's on. Since I'm using an e-motorcycle, my 12-volt batteries are in my saddlebags, hidden away. So this will be connected directly to one of them. I may have to cut the ends off and put a clip on it. However I do it, this will go to 12 volts. This will connect to this. This will be hidden in the bike. There's double-sided adhesive to, obviously put right here and stick it into the bike. That's it. So I'm going to install this. I'm not sure how much of the actual install I will show because I don't want anybody to know I'm hiding it on a bike. But I'll certainly show the app after and how it works. Right? The PAJ Find and Protect GPS Finder.